Hello everybody. Okay, this here is the Luth-AR MBA-3 Carbine buttstock. And let's go ahead and open it up. It's a cool little box here, huh? I'm guessing this was supposed to be in this plastic. It wasn't. I didn't open it up until I started this video, just like you saw me. So let me check, make sure it's not damaged. Oh, it looks all right. No scratches on it. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Also, this came in the box right here. You got the MBA-1 and the MBA-4. I don't see any 3 there. Okay. So this has a few different features here. This here goes in and out like that, and then you got the cheek thing here. Gotta really pull on that, so that goes up and down. If you're gonna mount the sling here, you're gonna have to get your own inserts because there's no insert. You're gonna have to do it yourself. Apparently Luth-AR recommends GrowthTech. Let's see here. Oh, it's got a Picatinny rail here. So if you didn't really want to use this for your sling, you can just put a ring down here. Now these pieces can come off, so if this is too much, you can actually take it off if you want. Now this is for both mil spec and commercial spec. All right, you know what? Let's go ahead and let me tighten this up. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the rifle. This is the rifle I'm going to be putting it on. This is a DPMS Oracle, and it's 100% stock right here. So I'm going to take this off and put on the MBA-3. All right, there it is. Now, sometimes when you put these on, it'll rattle, and there's a, you can see right here, there's a Allen wrench. Take this Allen wrench, go ahead and tighten it up, and the rattle will basically go away. I didn't tighten it that much, so there's a little bit of play here. But anyway, looks pretty good. Totally stock. So remember, this goes up and down, and this goes in and out. And like I said, if you don't want all this, you can, like we saw earlier, the MBA like 4, MBA-1, it gets rid of all this stuff. So, but if you buy this, you can have this, and then when you don't want it, you just take it off, and then when you want it back, you put it back on. But anyway, pretty cool. All right, y'all. Thank you very much.